Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing both devices. Make sure your iPhone X and the Bluetooth accessory have adequate battery and are within 3 meters. First, toggle Bluetooth off and back on from Control Center. This quick reset clears transient radio issues. Once done, remove cases or nearby USB hubs that can cause interference, because physical obstructions and RF noise are common causes. Then check that the accessory is in pairing mode. LEDs or a pairing tone confirm its discovery. Next, you remove old or corrupted pairings. Open Settings Bluetooth, tap the info icon, and choose Forget this device. This clears stale links. Once forgotten, perform a full restart of the iPhone X to refresh system services. Press side plus volume, slide to power, then boot back up. If pairing still fails, reset network settings. This resets Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and VPN profiles, which often resolves persistent conflicts. Make sure you know saved Wi-Fi passwords, because they will be erased. Finally, attempt pairing from Settings Bluetooth. Tap the device when it appears and follow any on-screen prompts or PIN entry. Make sure iOS is updated, and if possible, update the accessory's firmware. Compatibility fixes often live in recent updates. If pairing still fails, test the accessory with a different phone to isolate whether the problem is the iPhone or the accessory. If the accessory fails on multiple devices, contact the manufacturer. Otherwise, consider an Apple support appointment for hardware diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.